The shocking truth is the belief that success means working all your waking hours. And this is what leads to burnout and feeling stuck. Most people are always busy, but not truly productive. The truth is, highly successful people don't manage time better, but just use it in a smarter way. In this video, I'll explain a method to help you save time and do more things. Let's start with a mistake many people make: watching the clock instead of listening to their body. Let me give you an example. A 2011 Harvard University study showed that the most important thing in making good choices is what time of day it is. Your brain doesn't work at the same level all day. You have times when you feel sharp and times when you feel tired. But most people ignore this. They spend their morning on emails and social media, then try to do serious work later when they are already drained. That's like trying to run a race when your energy is gone. Writer Daniel Pink found that when your energy drops, your brain doesn't work as well. So the solution is to use your best hours for important work and save simple tasks for later. Ask yourself, do you know when you work best? Maybe most people don't know, but now you know. So take action accordingly and it will make a big difference. But besides this, another most important thing you have to consider, which is inspired by the US Army. In the US Army, where people are trained to choose just one task each day that makes the day successful, even if nothing else gets done. Just one task. And honestly, that idea is powerful, but you must have more than one task to do. So choose at least 3 important tasks for the day. That will make your day successful and productive. Do it before your day gets busy. Famous writer Cal Newport calls this a lead domino. Tasks that make everything else easier or unnecessary. So tomorrow morning, ask yourself, what are the 3 things that would make my day successful? Write it down. Protect your time for it and just do it fast. But here's the problem. Even if you know your most important task, there's something hidden in your day that can quietly waste your time, and most people don't notice it at all. In 2016, a researcher from the University of California, Irvine, named Gloria Mark, studied how often people get interrupted at work. What she found was surprising. Every time someone gets interrupted by a mobile call, a message, or a coworker, it takes about 23 minutes and 15 seconds to fully focus again. That's 23 minutes lost for just one interruption. Now imagine how many times you get interrupted in a single day. Writer Cal Newport introduced the idea of deep work, which means working with full focus and no distractions. When you do it, you produce your best results. According to him, this skill is very important today, but digital distractions are making it weaker. So try this. Block your time for deep work based on task demand. Keep your phone silent or in another room. Let others know that you shouldn't be disturbed during this time. In this way, protect your focus time. Treat them as something very important, because that's when your best work happens. But even if you manage to protect your focus, there's still something else quietly wasting your time. Something you don't notice. A term called ghost flush is when a toilet quietly leaks water, and you only realize it when your water bill gets higher. Your time has been wasted in the same way. Some tiny habits you don't think about can secretly waste 2 to 4 hours every day. Here are some hidden time wasters: checking email again and again without replying, long unnecessary meetings, and getting lost online. According to Elon Musk, if a meeting didn't lead to a clear decision, it shouldn't exist. So try this. At the end of your day, write down what you did and review it. Did it make real progress, or were you just being busy? And after that, fix these small leaks. And in this way, you'll be able to save a lot of time. So, when you look at someone and think, how do they do so much? The truth is, they are not special. They have simply cut out the unseen distractions that steal time and replace them with smart planning and action. Also, check out the video on how to make time for everything.